Good morning, folks. Daniel the Adjuster here. I wanted to go over condominium losses with you guys. It's real important for you guys to understand the importance of checking out ownership of the outside as well as the inside. Some condominiums will do repairs as part of their maintenance plan, so let's take a look. Okay, so on this roof, you'll notice some really strange patterns here. They got some bad shingles. Look, a bad lot right there shows up. So almost everywhere you look, there's a pattern of bad shingles there. Anyways, we just document that. But here's the thing. This side of the slope here, the left side of the slope, is the insured's, as well as that metal roof down there. But if I come right over here, you'll see the line of where the transition is. That slope is not the insured's. So they don't have a left slope on this roof. So we have to notate the fact that, hey, that roof ends at that point, and it ends over there at the transition of this next spot here, where it changes direction. Not really change direction, but it's a different roof line there. So we're going to notate that that's where it ends, and then the slope ends over there. On the back slope, it's really different. Back slope, this whole portion here is the insured's, but only half of this roof is the insured. See how the big slope down there is 1212, but it ends halfway up and over there. That other half over there is not the insured's roof. So you're going to have to document that in your photos to make sure you notate that only half of this roof is theirs. Now, I talked about the ownership of these apartment complexes. So the best thing to do in that scenario is to talk to the insured. So when you talk to the insured, the first questions you're going to ask is there an HOA involved, homeowners association, and they paying dues? And if they are, then you want to ask for the name, and you also want to ask if they have any knowledge of whether the homeowner association is going to take care of the roof, the siding, or the interior damage if there is some. So that's going to be a very important question for you to ask them, and to get the name so that you can look up online the bylaws for this homeowners association yourself. You'll get a copy of it. A lot of times they do leave it as a download PDF, and so you're going to include that in your report as well. It's real important because we want to know whether the HOA is actually going to fix this roof, or we're just wasting our time out here looking for hail damage on a roof. So that's real important. And I also wanted to mention my nose is running because it's 40 degrees out here. I actually had some frost on some of the roofs out here. I was hoping I wasn't going to get into a problem when getting on one of these roofs, but hey, as it gets colder, you're going to see some frost, so just be careful, okay? So anyways, the HOA is real important because that allows the insurance company to not have to pay for the damages that are incurred on that roof or the siding or whatever if there's an HOA involved, and they're going to take care of the damages. So it's real important to make sure you document that. Okay, so remember that when you get to these condominiums, the separation of the houses, the division of where the roof starts and stops, and get the HOA information. Daniel the Adjuster here, trying to help you out. Take care.